Hey, Aku, you went on a family trip last week, right? How was it?
Don't ask. It was a complete disaster.
Really? What happened?
Everything went wrong from the very beginning.
Now I am curious. Tell me everything.
Listen to this conversation carefully and try to understand every sentence.
So, when did your trip start?
It started on Sunday morning. Our bus was at 7 a.m.
That sounds normal.
Yes, everything was planned perfectly. My father told us to wake up at 5:30 a.m.
That's early.
Yes, but I made a big mistake.
What mistake?
I forgot to set my alarm.
Oh no, that's bad.
Yes, I was sleeping peacefully, and suddenly my father woke me up.
Was he angry?
A little. He said, "Why didn't you wake up on time?"
What did you say?
I said, "I'm sorry. I forgot to set my alarm."
What time was it?
It was already 6:15 a.m.
That's very late.
Yes, I was shocked. My heart dropped when I saw the time.
Then what happened?
Everyone started running around the house in a hurry.
What were they doing?
My mother was packing food quickly. My father was looking for his wallet and keys. My younger sister was still sleepy and confused.
That sounds very chaotic.
Yes, it was. No one was calm. Everyone was stressed.
Did you leave the house on time?
No, we left at 6:45.
That's risky.
Yes, I felt very guilty because it was my mistake.
Then what happened?
We took a cab to the bus station. We reached there as fast as we could.
And the bus?
It was gone.
Oh no.
Yes. My father checked his phone and said, "The bus left at 6:30.
You missed it.
Yes, we missed the bus.
Was your father angry this time?
I thought he would be very angry. But he surprised me. He said, "It's okay. Let's find another way."
That's kind of him.
Yes, I felt a little better after that.
So what did you do next?
We booked another bus for 8:30 a.m. Then we sat at the station and waited.
Was it boring?
Yes, a little. We were tired and quiet. But finally, the bus arrived.
That's good.
Yes, we got on the bus and I felt relaxed. I thought, now everything will be fine.
But I think something went wrong again.
Yes, you're right. After 1 hour, the weather suddenly changed.
What happened?
Dark clouds came, and it started raining heavily.
I like rain, but not during travel.
Yes, at first it was okay. But then water started coming inside the bus.
What? How?
Some windows were broken. People started moving and complaining.
That's uncomfortable.
Yes, my mother said, "This isn't a good bus."
Then what happened?
Suddenly, the bus stopped.
Why?
The driver said, "There is a problem with the engine."
You were kidding.
No, we were stuck in the middle of the road again.
That's so frustrating.
Yes, everyone was tired and annoyed.
What did your family do?
My younger sister started laughing. She said, "This trip is crazy."
That's funny.
Yes, but my father was not happy. He took a deep breath and stayed quiet.
Did you get help?
Yes. After about 40 minutes, another bus came.
Finally,
Yes. We quickly changed buses and continued our journey.
did everything go smoothly after that?
Not really. But at least we reached the city.
How did you feel?
We were very tired and really hungry.
I can imagine.
Yes. But we were also happy that we arrived safely.
What about the hotel?
That was another problem.
What happened this time?
We went to the hotel and my father said, "I have a booking."
And
The man checked and said, "Sorry, we don't have your booking."
that's unbelievable.
Yes, my father said, "That's not possible."
Then what?
The man checked again and said, "You booked for next week."
Oh no.
Yes, everything went wrong again.
What did you do then?
We looked for another hotel. Finally, we found a small one nearby.
Was it good?
It was simple, but it was okay.
At least you had a place to stay.
Yes, we were very tired, so we didn't complain.
Then what happened?
Something funny happened.
Tell me,
My younger sister jumped on the bed happily.
and let me guess.
Yes, the bed broke.
That's hilarious.
At first, we were shocked. Then my mother started laughing.
And then,
Then we all started laughing. Even my father smiled.
so in the end, it was a good trip?
Yes. Even though everything went wrong, we were happy together.
That's really nice.
Yes. It became an unforgettable trip.
I think sometimes bad days become the best memories.
Exactly. I learned that on this trip. Sometimes, bad days become the best memories.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.